Welcome back to Station for Learning, a platform where we simplify complex educational theories for you. Today's topic is very important for all B.Ed and Education Studies students, the Nichols Cyclic Model of curriculum design. If you are preparing for exams, teaching practice, or just want to strengthen your conceptual understanding, this video will guide you step by step. Let's begin with a simple question. Is curriculum design a one-time process? The answer is no. Curriculum design is a continuous, dynamic, and evolving process. As students' needs change, as society develops, and as new teaching methods emerge, the curriculum must also adapt. This is where the Nichols Cyclic Model becomes highly relevant, emphasizing ongoing, systematic, and responsive development. The Nichols model follows a cycle, not a straight line. So once one stage is completed, the process restarts with improvements. The 5 major stages are goals and objectives, content selection, learning experiences and activities, evaluation, and feedback. The first and most crucial step is defining goals and objectives. At this stage, educators clearly identify what students should know, what skills they should develop, and what attitudes or values should be formed. These objectives must be clear, measurable, achievable, and relevant. Once goals are defined, the next step is selecting content including topics, subject matter, textbooks, and digital resources. The key principle is alignment, where content must directly support the learning objectives. Content should also be relevant to learners' needs, age-appropriate, culturally appropriate, and up-to-date. This stage that designs learning experiences and activities is the heart of the curriculum. Teachers design teaching strategies, classroom activities, and instructional methods focused on active learning. Examples include group discussions, project-based learning, role-playing, problem-solving tasks, and use of digital tools. After teaching and learning activities, the next step is evaluation to determine if learning objectives have been achieved. Evaluation includes both formative assessment during learning and summative assessment after learning. But Nichols' model does not only evaluate students, it also evaluates teaching methods, content relevance, and overall curriculum design. Now we come to the most powerful feature of this model, which is feedback collected from students, teachers, and assessment results. Feedback helps answer what worked well, what did not work, and what needs improvement. Based on feedback, goals may be revised, content may be updated, and teaching strategies may be improved, creating a loop of continuous improvement. The Nichols model is cyclic and iterative, systematic, focused on improvement, learner-centered, and practical for real classrooms.